In tomorrow interview, the examiner asks a question. These are the name of student and these are the test of student. So you should make a group of student like this and then like this, and each group contain two members. For that I start writing Harry and then Talha. So this is first group, and then it make too much time. So for that I use formula to calculate all these group, to make all these group. So I use concatenate and then press Harry, then comma, then make a space, then again use Talha. So it make a group of two member. So then I press enter. So now you can see there is a two member group. This is group one. For calculating all the groups I drag this, so it will make automatically the group of students. So this make more easier to make a group of students easily. So one another thing, that if I want to concatenate that, the first test marks of Harry is, I use double comma, then comma, and then first test marks, and then close the bracket. For calculating all the test marks of students, I drag this. So now you can see it will automatically calculate. So I use concatenate in this to make easier my work.